Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new episode on Salvage Nations. And here guys, if you remember my 2009 Audi A3, I'm back on the Audi A3 because I've been waiting to sell it for a while. But two things, because of the COVID restrictions, the DVLA had taken months to return the logbook, and I need the logbook to sell it. But more importantly, I've got a fault code on the dash, which is making my life a pain. If you remember in my last video on the A3, I asked for some help. It's got ABS fault, and the ABS is flashing. I'll show you that now. And I don't know what the problem is. I've double checked all my wiring, I've triple checked everything. So the only thing that I've got left to do is replace the actual ABS sensor, ABS pump, ABS modules. I've replaced everything. So today is the final bit of the puzzle. I've got another delivery that I was waiting for. This delivery took about 3 weeks. Normally this should have taken a few days. This took about 3 weeks. This is my replacement ABS pump that's come in the post. So today I want to change my ABS pump and hopefully get this ABS light off, do a test drive, and then also today in this episode I've got an appointment with the Windscreen guys to come and change my windscreen, and then hopefully I can get this car sold. So guys, let's get into that. So unfortunately guys, there's a bit of a pain. The ABS pump on the Audi A3 is underneath the battery, and the battery is inside of a special battery tray. So I've got to take out the airbox because the airbox is attached to the battery tray. The battery tray is hiding my ABS pump, and if you look right down there, that's the ABS pump that I need to get to. So it's a lot of work, and I'm hoping that this is the issue. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the battery first, and I'm going to see if I can unplug the power cable from there, plug it into my new unit, and then hopefully that will be able to tell me if it's fixed or not. So now that I've got the plug off, guys, this is what it looks like. This is the ABS plug. I've checked all of these wires for continuity, and it's all connected. It's giving me a pulse back when I checked it. I checked each and every one of these little connectors there. So it's got a continuous source of resistance. So I know that the sockets are okay. I know that the wires are okay. So I'm just gonna pair it up to my replacement part. Guys, oh my God, let's again have a look at this. So immediately I can tell that this is the wrong part. Look, I don't know if you can see that. It's just not lining up. This is the wrong part. They've sent me the wrong part on this. If you check my other video, guys, they've sent me the wrong parts on the Mercedes. This is the issue with buying parts off eBay from these breakers yards. You need to double check, and they need to double check. Sometimes it's out of your control. So I'm gonna have to send this one back yet again. But this time I'm gonna remove, whilst I'm here, I'm gonna remove that one out of there, and I'm gonna try to get a like for like part from my local breakers yard today if I can. So let's continue to take that out. So frustrating, so bloody frustrating. So guys, because this is wrong, there's nothing more that I can do with this. I've taken this off camera. I've got the part number, so I'm gonna have to order a new one. It's so frustrating, but once again, guys, this is how it goes when you're repairing salvage cars. You need to get it right, and sometimes, all the time, you don't get it right. So let's put this away. I'm gonna send that back, and I need to reassemble everything so I can get the car started and get it parked up. completely back together, guys. It's very frustrating again with these bloody parts. But what can I say? Until I get that sorted out, I can't sell this car. And I really need to sell it because once I sell this, I can buy a new build for the channel. See if that's good to go. There we go. We still have that annoying fault, guys. So frustrating. What can we do? We move on. So I'm gonna have to order that, and once we get all replacement parts, then I can give it another try. It's actually a couple of weeks later now. Still haven't gotten the ABS sensors and the ABS pump sorted on this car. However, I've got an appointment with Autoglass windscreens. I've got to drive down to Barking and they're gonna change my windscreen for me. So come. Join me for the ride. So I'm gonna drive down to Barking. I've got it all booked in and I'm gonna show you guys how they changed the windscreen. So I'm gonna get the windscreens changed today. I've got a new ABS pump in the post, still waiting for that. Everything's delayed because of COVID. This car is literally still sitting here. Guys, check out, if you haven't seen it already, check out my video on the rebuild on my 2009 Audi A3. It's going up for sale. If anyone's interested, drop me a message on my Instagram. I'll put a link down below. Let's crack on. So guys, I've made it down to the Autoglass unit. So there's a mobile unit in the middle of a car park, but they don't allow filming at the actual unit. So if you can see it in the background, it's down there. They told me in about an hour, my car should be ready. It's quite a good service. I've booked it online because they couldn't come out to see me. So I'm just hanging around in the car park. So that should be finished soon and then we can head on the road. Guys, now that my windscreen is completed, I'm gonna sort out the ABS pump and then this car is gonna be up for sale. So if any of you guys wanna buy this car, drop me a message on my Instagram. I'll put the link down below. Right, let's head back to the unit and crack on with some other bits. Guys, this Audi A3 drives so nice, so nice. Whoever buys this car, you'll be in for a real treat. Check it out. Don't sound too bad. It don't sound too bad. It drives wicked, guys. Guys, that's gonna be it for this video. And if you've enjoyed that content, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it lets YouTube know that you like my content. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, guys, because Salvage Nations, we've got a lot more content coming your way and you don't want to miss that. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you for everyone for checking out the merch shop. And like I always say, keep it moving and I'll catch you in the next one.